Hello marketers. So basically, if you want to add a partner to manage your assets, you will go here to partners and then click add. Give a partner access to your assets. Considering you are a business who wants to give the access to the marketing agency, and then you will add here the business ID for the marketing agency, they should give it to you. Okay, what if you want to ask, if you are the marketing agency or a marketing personnel and you want to ask a partner to share their assets? So you will click here, ask a partner to share their assets, and then you will continue and you will add some information here, and you will add here the business account ID that you want to ask for asset, that you want to request asset for. Okay, so basically, what if you want to upgrade some access for the marketing agency? For example, found some struggles with some of the access that you have. What should you do? You will basically go to the partner that you want to give access to, and then go to the assets that you already shared with them. So you will choose one of them, whichever one you want to increase access. For example, let's say here you want to give them access to revenue, so you will click here. Or the ad account, if they don't have some access for something, you will choose it from here really very easily. Okay, that's it, very easy.